Hello, and welcome to Export Portal. Today, we will walk you through the freight forwarder's profile completion process on our international B2B trade platform. After you have successfully created your account on Export Portal, you may continue completing your profile. To start with, make sure you log in and go to the subpage called EPL or Export Portal Logistics. A pop-up window will appear. There are just a few remaining steps to complete your profile. To pass the verification process, to add personal information as well as company info, and to select a location. Let us begin with account verification, which is essential in ensuring a secure place for all our customers to trade online. To get your profile verified, we ask that you upload your passport or government-issued ID, business license, tax ID number, and liability insurance certificate. At Export Portal, we are hyper-focused on creating the safest environment for our users, including verifying our users to prevent fraud, scams, and counterfeit products. Our blockchain technology will encrypt your documents once they are uploaded, making them safe. Additionally, these documents will be used in each international trade transaction, so uploading these documents now saves you from re-uploading them every time you start a trade. If you have any problem while uploading the documents, you can use our Documents Upload Quick Guide or reach out to our support team. After uploading all the necessary documents, you will receive information regarding the verification timeline. Account verification will be completed in up to 5 business days. Press OK, and we will continue with company information. In this section, you can edit the information you have added while registering. This includes number of office locations, industries of the items you can deliver, annual full container load volume or TEUs, the country, state, city, address, and postal code, the phone number. On this page, you can also add more information about your company, like a government tax ID number, DUNS number, your company website, and fax number. Besides these, you have the chance to add a company description and video link if you have one. Bear in mind that a detailed company description is essential for attracting new B2B partners. We strongly encourage you to describe your company as best as possible, because this will increase your popularity among other international trade partners on Export Portal. Last but not least, you can also upload up to 15 company photos. Please make sure your contact information like email, phone number, or website is not indicated in these pictures, as this will go against our terms of service. After adding all your information, make sure you click on the Save button. Let us move now to the next step, personal information. First, make sure all your information is still accurate. If your first and last names are different on your legal documents, please let us know this by checking the box, which will display an additional field for filling in your legal name. This part is essential since it will portray you, the person who will do business on behalf of your whole company. The more detailed information you share about yourself, the more likely other trade partners will trust you and be open to cooperating. When finished, press Save. The last step in completing your profile is select location. This is straightforward. Select the countries your company is working with. If your company is shipping worldwide, choose the worldwide option. Now, all you need to do is wait for your documents to be verified, and you will be ready to start shipping on Export Portal, the most secure B2B trade marketplace.